Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to discuss about the 5 top lead generation strategies which you need to follow in order to generate high quality leads directly from LinkedIn. And before going further in this video, let me tell you guys that these strategies are well tested and very useful strategies. Even agencies do use these strategies to generate their high quality leads and then they convert those leads into high quality customers and clients. So if you are just watching this video with a mindset that you are not going to apply these strategies, then please leave this video here. And if you have the mindset that you are going to apply these strategies into your marketing, into your LinkedIn marketing strategy, then please watch this video till the end. And by the end of this video, I will be assuring you that if you use these strategies, you will get leads that converts, right? So let's start with the first slide, and that is use LinkedIn messaging. Now I have mentioned over here that use LinkedIn messaging. Why you should use LinkedIn messaging? Well guys, we have listened that LinkedIn is a very professional platform. LinkedIn is very useful platform. LinkedIn help us to get clients. LinkedIn help uh, companies to get clients. LinkedIn help to increase the revenue of many brands, many companies. But we don't know how to execute these things, right? We don't know how to get clients from LinkedIn. What is the roadmap? What is the procedure? So basically, the basic procedure you need to follow is to message them. And LinkedIn messaging is not free at all, like Facebook or Instagram, where you directly send a message to any user. Like you just send them a friend request or the follow request, and then you send them messages, right? So LinkedIn is not that much easy because you get or you have some limitations in your messaging. So you need to apply the proper methods while messaging, so that whenever you are messaging, let's say you are trying you are writing 5 messages to 5 people, right? So your messages should be that much effective that at least 4 uh, people should revert you, right? And if you don't know how to write those messages, you can go through our previous videos in this course itself. Please go to the playlist of LinkedIn marketing and you'll be able to see these videos, like LinkedIn messaging full guide and how to search potential clients on LinkedIn and get your first 100 leads, right? So this video will help you to find the potential clients, and this video will help you to get to get those clients by messaging, right? So the first strategy is to use LinkedIn messaging. Now the second strategy which you can follow or which you can go with is join LinkedIn groups, or join LinkedIn groups for business, or even you can create your own LinkedIn group as well. But here I have specifically mentioned that join LinkedIn groups. And if you don't know how to generate leads from LinkedIn groups, because people just join the LinkedIn groups and they don't do anything at all, right? Because there are two types of people. The first one that doesn't know the potential of LinkedIn group. They know the potential of LinkedIn platform, but they don't know that how powerful a LinkedIn group can be, right? And then there's another group of people who knows the potential of LinkedIn group, but they don't execute those things. They just join those groups, right? They just join the relevant or the related group which are related to their industry, but they don't execute the knowledge that what are the things they need to apply in order to gain some business from those groups. So again, we have mentioned some videos over here which you can watch in the playlist itself. This is 5 strategies how to use LinkedIn group for marketing, then 10 ways to make money through LinkedIn marketing. Not LinkedIn marketing, the LinkedIn group. So if you are a group owner, if you have created a group, and if you don't know how to grow your group, you can watch the videos for that as well. You just need to visit the playlist, right? Now the third point is post relevant content and update so that you can build your audience, right? So in any social media, whether it is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, anything, if you want to build your audience, you need to post the relevant content and you need to update your content on a daily basis, right? Basically, you need to be consistent, relevant, and regular. I mean, the consistent and the regular is the same, right? So the main point is, if you are consistent enough on any social media platform, automatically your audience will build, and then you'll be able to create a business around those audience, right? So in whatever the industry you are, maybe you are in digital marketing industry, or maybe you are in software industry, maybe you are in healthcare industry, maybe you are in news industry. So in whatever the industry you are, post relevant content which are relevant or relatable to your niche, to your audience, and keep it updated, right? Don't go with the outdated content, right? And obviously, if you are able to build an audience, the leads will automatically come to you, and that too for free. High quality leads. This is very useful strategy which you can apply into your social media. And the fourth one is use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I've already created a proper tutorial that how you can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator and what is the potential of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You can watch that particular video in the playlist itself. Again, I'm mentioning one more video, and LinkedIn Sales Navigator is very useful tool, although it is a bit costly, but I have mentioned a way which you can use in order to get 1 month free Sales Navigator subscription, right? So in that way you'll be able to use Sales Navigator for 1 month and totally for free. And if it provides you a business, if it is helpful for you, you can go for the subscription from the next month itself. Now, after Sales Navigator, we do have last option, that is LinkedIn advertising. Now, you might don't know how to run LinkedIn advertise, or basically how to advertise on LinkedIn, right? And you don't need to worry about it, because in this course itself we are going to cover the LinkedIn advertising as well, so that you can learn how LinkedIn ad works, how you can efficiently generate high quality leads directly from LinkedIn. So the previous four ways which I have mentioned over here, the first one is this, the second one is this, the third one is this, and the fourth one is this. So these are totally free, almost free. The Sales Navigator is for free month, and these three are totally organic, so these are totally free, right? But the fifth one is totally paid. If you want to go with the LinkedIn advertising strategy, then you need to add some budget into your marketing, because LinkedIn advertising is not free at all, right? But the thing is, I can help you with the proper knowledge so that you can efficiently run your LinkedIn advertisements, right? And if you are able to run your ads efficiently, then definitely you will end up saving some amount in advertising, right? So these were 5 LinkedIn strategies which you can apply, which you can follow in order to generate leads for your business. Yes, and that too high quality leads. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if this video helps you even a 1%, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this playlist. You can even watch the playlist as well. So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.